Hello students, we are going to study clustering for strings. Stream computing model. Each stream element is a point in some space. The sliding window consists of the most recent endpoints and where we are going to find out the clusters. Maybe for example, question maybe query can be coming or questions to the system is like in the last 10 minutes, whatever data is collected, what are different clusters are formed in that. In last m points, in last 100 transactions, what different clusters are formed. No restriction regarding the space in which the points of the stream is lying. Maybe Euclidean space can be there, or non-Euclidean space will be there. A stream clustering algorithm, that is BDMO, we are going to study. It is built on the methodology of TGIM algorithm. The points of the strings are partitioned into and power of 2 will be the size of the bucket. The size of bucket is equal to number of points it represent. If the size of bucket is 3, definitely 3 points are present in that bucket. Size of the bucket is twice the previous size. That is 3, 6, 12, 24, 48 and so on. Bucket size are restrained to be non-decreasing as we go back in time. Non-decreasing in on left hand side but increasing in a right hand side. There will be order of log n buckets. The clusters into which the points of the bucket have been partitioned contain number 1, the number of points in the cluster. Number 2, the centroid or the clusteroid of the clusters will be there. Any other parameter necessary to enable us to merge those clusters. How are we going to initialize the bucket? Smallest bucket size will be p, a power of 2. Means 2 raised to power 0 is 1. So we cannot say that we can create a group of 1. So it not be considered. 2 raised to power 1, no, size 2 is not feasible because we cannot call it as a group. So then 2 raised to power 2, 4 group can be possible. Merging buckets, whenever a new bucket is created, it needs to review the sequence of buckets. First, if some buckets has a timestamp that is more than n time units prior to the current time, then nothing of that bucket is in the window. We may drop it from the list. Second, we may have created 3 buckets of size p, in which case we must merge the oldest 2 of these 3. The merger may create 2 buckets of size 2p, in which case we may have to merge buckets of increasing sizes recursively. So on the left hand side, the bucket size goes on increasing. On the right hand side, the bucket goes on decreasing, like DGIM algorithm. Now let's see an example and understand it better way. In this example, we have to execute the BDM algorithm with the p is equals to 3, which is provided by the question, on the following one-dimensional Euclidean data. As it is Euclidean data, so we can use a Euclidean distance between them. We have this data, and the clustering algorithm is k-means with a k is equals to 3 is provided. So we have to apply the k-means clustering algorithm when you're forming the group. Only the center of the cluster, along with its count, is needed to represent the cluster. Let's see. This is the string. Now we are creating the sizes. Initially, we have a group from the right hand side. We are going to create because it's the most recent stream of data, the 3, then 6, then 12. This is how we created the cluster. Whenever new data is coming, we are going to keep it as it is unless we receive the 3 data. After receiving the 3 data, which will merge to this particular one, and we get a 6, 6, 12 and 3 in the new. Find the centroid of cluster in each bucket. We have to find out the centroid and clusteroid in each bucket. That's very easy. Thank you.